Today and every Monday, even on Christmas week, we make sure you understand the law. But before we do that, we have to tell you this. This segment is for informational purposes only. It does not constitute legal advice. No attorney-client relationship is formed by watching or participating in this segment, no matter how much you like Bill. That's just the rules. You do want to reach out to an attorney for any specific legal advice you might be seeking. We got that out of the way, and we have Bill Kindig here from Rice & Kindig.
We did, and thanks for tuning in. I think it is. I think it must be May.
Yeah, I think so too. Now, December, obviously, it's the holidays. A lot of folks are off work for a while.
You wear the red jacket.
You wear the red jacket, but that means a lot of people may be drinking a little more than they normally would.
Yeah, so, times have changed. Right. The tolerance for drunk drivers has reached a low, which it should. We have Uber, we have Lyft. We also have personal responsibility. Yeah. And so, at Rice & Kindig, we're all about safety. We see so many cases where people come in where they've been victims of drunk drivers. Also, we hear the other story where I get calls from parents and spouses about children and husbands and wives who have been involved in a DWI. We don't do DWI defense, unfortunately in this day and age, the tolerance is so low that jail penalties are high, insurance penalties are high, and rightfully so.
Right.
And so Rice & Kindig would like to encourage everybody who drinks to enjoy themselves and to do so responsibly. And part of that responsibility is to make sure you have a designated driver. Yeah. That's the easiest thing in the world to do. We do have Uber and Lyft available in Shreveport. That's another. I would tell you to pick up the phone and call me and I'll come pick you up, but I'm not going to do that. But if you are injured by somebody right. who was intoxicated, there are enhanced penalties under our civil law for driving drunk. Exemplary damages are provided in addition to compensatory damages. Those aren't covered by insurance, but those are an additional penalty. There are also the criminal penalties. And just because somebody has entered into the criminal system for that DWI doesn't mean that you cannot also initiate a civil action right. against them. I got to tell you, from early age to today, scar tissue has always been my best teacher.
Yeah.
And if scar tissue is that there's both criminal and civil penalties, and somebody learns and survives another day, then I'm all for it.
Yeah, because in the criminal case for the driver, that's not going to do anything for you if you're injured.
No,
that's
it's not going to pay my medical bills. Exactly. It's not going to pay my lost wages. It's not going to get my car fixed.
Right.
And so there are two different. There's a civil action and a criminal action, and they serve two different purposes. Yeah. But you know what? I would be just as happy if I didn't get any of those calls after Christmas or New Year's that a drunk driver has really caused some heartache and hardship for clients I represent.
All right, we're running out of time, but I'm going to throw you a little curveball before we go. What is on Bill Kindig's Christmas list coming up? It's almost the big day.
I am so blessed in every aspect. So I'll tell you what's on my Christmas list. I got a jumpy house for the grandkids.
Come on.
It's gonna be a surprise. Don't tell them, please. It's gonna be here for the whole week. Patrick has told me we're gonna have great weather. And so I gotta tell you, I've already gotten the best gift of all. I'm gonna have grandkids and a jumpy house to wear them out. They're gonna sleep well at night. We're gonna eat too much and have a good time.
Me and Patrick are gonna come to the jumpy house too.
Come on.
Let's do it. Let's check in with Patrick now.